This week I'm testing the MG HS. It's a 5-seater SUV and this is the plug-in hybrid model. We're going to find out how good it is as a baby drive, and don't forget to subscribe and like and follow us on our socials. The child seat section of this video is brought to you by Infosecure. In the back of the MG HS there are ISOFIX in each of the outer rear seats. They're not within plastic guides and nice and easy to connect to. There are top tether anchorages on the back of all 3 rear seat backs and they're nice and easy to connect through the boot. Now I managed to fit 3 Infosecure child seats in the back here. I've got the Serene and Optima rear facing in each of the outer seats, and I've got the versatile folding booster in the central seat. Now with narrow child restraints I think you'd be able to fit 3 across in here. Legroom is really good. We could fit a 6-foot driver in front of a rear facing child seat, and passenger side we could fit even taller in front of a rear facing child seat. Now if you want to learn more about the child restraints used in this video, you can just click on the link here. Storage in the back of the MG HS is good. The door bins are a good size, they'll hold a large refillable water bottle, and there's a little handle wells in the doors too. In a fold down in the central seat back there's a little storage drawer, good for your phone, and there's 2 cup holders there too. They'll hold a reusable and a disposable coffee cup. There are small mat pockets on the back of both front seats that will hold but not conceal an iPad. There's also 2 USB ports in the back of the central console box. Storage in the front is even better. There are 2 cup holders in the central console. They'll hold a reusable and a disposable coffee cup, and a large refillable water bottle fits in them too. There's a little well next to them which is good for storing your phone. In front of the gear lever there are 2 USB ports and a 12-volt socket too. The central console box is really small, but you can chill it by pushing the little flap across. There's a sunglasses case in the ceiling, and the glove box is a good size. That will hold my iPad and my wallet. The door bins are a good size too. They'll hold a large refillable water bottle and an iPad, and there's a little handle wells for storage too. There are aircon vents in the front and the back of the MG HS, which is fantastic for keeping those little rear passengers cool. The boot door of the MG HS opens automatically, which is really nice, and underneath the floor here you've got your charging cables as well. Let's find out how much we can fit in the boot. Empty will hold 12 shopping bags, or the twin pram and 3 shopping bags, the tandem pram and 2 shopping bags, single pram and 5 shopping bags, or a compact stroller and 8 shopping bags, or a medium-sized dog. Being the plug-in hybrid model, this car has 2 flaps, one on this side for its charging and one on the other side for fuel. Now there's loads of benefits to this being a plug-in hybrid. For families, one is it starts nice and quietly, and that first part of your journey is always using the battery, so it's lovely and quiet and smooth. And then we found the transition into the engine is actually really smooth in the MG HS as well. Now this is a lovely little SUV to drive. It's small, it's nimble, it's quite quick and nippy as well. And being small, it's easy to manoeuvre around town and parking in supermarkets and things like that. Now you do get an indicator camera come up on the media screen, which is fantastic. It's a really nice big view. However, what I have found is when that's on the screen, you can't then control anything else. So say you're sat at a junction with your indicator on, you might want to change the air conditioning while you're sat there. You actually can't without turning the camera off. Now you can also drive your kids to sleep just really using the battery alone. You've got a 52-kilometre range on the battery, and I found that's enough to do my weekly runs, scores, supermarkets, things like that. Now you also get a screen come up in front of the driver that shows you the distribution between the electric motor and the engine. The media system in the MG HS is relatively simple and easy to navigate. Now you can control a lot of these things and really customize them through the media screen, which is really good, as well as a lot of the sounds as well, which is really handy with kids. Now you can control the media screen using the paddles down on the dash as well as the touch screen. You can control the climate and navigation through here too. Now as you can see there is a bit of a delay when you press things, which can be a little bit frustrating. Now it's got CarPlay as well, which is fantastic. And when I put it into reverse, that camera image is lovely and clear, and it does fill this whole screen, which is fantastic. Now this car's also got a 360-degree 3D camera as well, which is really nice. So you can look at the whole exterior of the car, make sure there's no little children or pets around. So to sum up with the MG HS plug-in hybrid model, it is a good little car for families. Being the plug-in hybrid, it does make it more economical. The media system is good with some really nice features, however there is that delay there. They can get those 3 child seats in the back, which is really good, and the boot space is great fitting that twin stroller, and the drive is really nice.